Dear learners, how are you? I think all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah and be safe and sound at this moment. Anyway, today we discuss about assertive to exclamatory. First rule, vary or grade aiding assertive to exclamatory. And what is the structure of it? Now, dear students, take your notebook and pen and look at the whiteboard. What I write. The structure is how or what. A on N plus adjective, subject plus verb plus extension plus exclaim mark. This is the structure for changing assertive to exclamatory. Now practice. First example, he was very active. This is the assertive sentence. Now we have to make it exclamatory sentence. Okay, look dear students. First, how or what? Which one is correct? Look and remember, if there is article A or N, if there is A or N, we have to use what, and otherwise we have to use how. In this example, there is no article. That means there is no A or N. That's why we have to use how. At first, you write down according to structure how, then adjective. What is the adjective here? Active. So you write down how active. After adjective, subject. What is the subject here? He. Then verb. What is the verb here? Was. You write down it. And at the last point, exclaim mark. This is done. And it goes to exclamatory sentence. Next example. The bird is very colorful. In this sentence, there is no article. That means there is no A or N. So we have to use how. You write down how. And after how, we have to use adjective. In this sentence, adjective is colorful. So you write down how colorful. Then subject. Subject is the bird. You write down the bird. And after subject, you have to use verb. What is verb here? Is. You write down is. And exclaim mark. And it goes to exclamatory sentence. Next example. She is grateful. In this sentence, there is a, that means article here. So we have to use what. So you write down here what. And then after what, you should use article. So you write down here a. After it, what is adjective here? Full. You write down it, full. Subject is she. Verb is, exclaim mark. Next example. He is a very honest person. There is article a. If there is article A, we know we have to use what. So you write down here what. Then here is honest, actually adjective. Honest, that means is not pronounced. That's why A replaced to N. So you write down what N. In this sentence, adjective is actually honest person. So you write down honest person. Subject here you, write down you. Subject here he. So you write down he. Verb is. So you write down is. And exclaim mark. So, dear students, all of you write down in your notebook. Dear learners, look at the whiteboard. We discuss another rule, which adding assertive to exclamatory. Now you write down, all of you write down the structure of it. If plus subject plus verb plus object plus exclaim mark. Now practice it according to the structure. I wish I were a bird. This is the assertive sentence. Now we have to make it exclamatory sentence. According to structure, we have to write down if. So you write down here if. Then subject. What is subject here? I. And verb is where. Object is a bird. Plus exclaim mark. And it turns into exclamatory sentence. Another example, he wishes he were a child. So you write down according to the structure if plus subject he plus verb is here where and object is a child. At last you write down exclaim mark and it turns into exclamatory sentence. Dear students, all of you learn this and practice more and more example according to the structure, and in this way all of you practice again and again at home. Thank you very much for today.